Good morning, traders. Welcome to the 25th of January 2017. The trade we're looking at for a possibility that might happen of a bit of a breakup or a long trade will be Barloworld. Our entry levels are looking at here at 109 Rand 40 cents. The take profit here at 117.45 and a stop loss is here at 107.10, and that's a long trade. We do get a ratio of 1 to 2. That's actually quite good. So your risk goes twice into your reward. And that is what you're looking for when you trade, is the risk and reward. Now looking at Barloworld itself, if I take the specific share and I look at some indicators here, you can see a bit of a breakup happening here, breakup, and we're expecting this downward cycle now to bounce here and go high, especially with a market that seems to want to be positive here today. And that is why we're looking at the early entry most probably at this trade at 199.40, currently trading at 109.79. So there's a lot of sellers coming, and the sellers are becoming a bit of weak, and the indicator on the stochastic is a bit low here, so there might be opportunities for breakup here to happen, and we expect the breakup to happen here from 109.40 here at the current levels, and the first high will be about 114. If it breaks that 114 level, the next high after that approximately 117.45. So with a positive market like this already opening on the top 40, 365 points, or almost 0.79% higher, that's most probably a good indication that buyers might come into this specific share at this low price.